Welcome to this quick guide on how to turn off those pesky friend suggestion notifications on Facebook. If you're tired of constantly being nudged to connect with people you might not know, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps to take control of your Facebook experience. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface, but we're going to focus on the top right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. This opens up a list of options that let you customize your Facebook experience. Scroll down through this menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the next screen. This is where you can really start to tailor how Facebook interacts with you. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Notifications section. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage all sorts of notifications. We're interested in one specific type: friend suggestions. Look for People You May Know and tap on it. Now you'll see options related to how Facebook suggests friends to you. To stop these notifications entirely, toggle off Allow Notifications on Facebook. This will prevent Facebook from sending you any more suggestions about people you might know. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Tap Turn Off to finalize the change. That's it. From now on, you won't receive any more friend suggestion notifications from Facebook. By taking these steps, you're not only reducing clutter in your notifications, but also gaining more control over your social media experience. Remember, these settings are account-wide, so changes you make here will apply across all your devices. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might be dealing with the same issue. And if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.